discuss today the experiment is measurement of force using strain cage. To measure the applied force using force measuring setup. So apparatus required providing ring with the load cells, force indicator with the indicating reading of kgs with the screw jack. So dial cages we are using the maximum capacity of 2.5 kg. So these are the apparatus required. Okay, so each one we have 100 grams. So 100 grams we are calculating into 100 into kilograms. So divided by 100 divided by 1000. Each one is 0.1 kilogram. Procedure of this experiment. So first to ensure this provide ring along with load cell is perfectly vertical position. So ensure that position is on the button. So check the ensuring the axis of screw jack is perfectly aligned with the load cells. So this is the load cell. Then allow the instrument is in on position. So this is the off positions. We can using by the on position. With form of with the 10 minutes of warm timing. Adjust the potentiometer in the display reading is nearly 0.00. Then ensure that load cells with socket is connected. This socket should be connected with the rear side of the load indicator. Okay, so already here it is connected. So apply the small load cell with the slip in the system. So finally instrument reads load the sensor and display through the LED. Reading can be tabulated as the percentage of error. With the instrument linearly hysteresis can be calculated. So formula we can use to by the error. So which is unit is kilogram. So actual reading minus India thermometer reading. The percentage of error is error divided by actual reading into 100. Tabulation of this experiment. So actual reading in kilogram. Then indicating reading is in noted from the load measuring setup. Then calculation of the error. Actual reading minus indicating reading. The final percentage of error divided by indicating reading into 100. So that is the tabulation for using this experiment. Then next one is model graph. We have to focus on the values. So so far the actual reading is in kilogram, then indicating reading is in kilogram. So the graphs will be trajectory to improve this line. So now we have to switch on the load measuring trainer. It is already reading is noted is 0.00. So now we have to add the load. So which is already told you. So it is 100 gram. So we can calculate it by the kilogram. So 100 divided by 1000, which is one part of the load is 0.1 kg. Okay, so now we can kept for the load from this load cells. So we are keeping here the one value is 0.1 kg from the load cell. Then finally we can attain the reading is 0.09. So we can write it here the tabulation of this reading. So actual reading is 0.1 kg. So indicating reading 0.09. Okay, so the error is 0.01. So we are tabulated in this value 0.1 is actual reading and indicating reading is 0.09 and the error is 0.01. So model calculation of this experiment. So error in calculation unit is kilogram, then measured value minus true value. So measured value already know that the actual reading is 0.1. So that is called as measured value. So indicating reading which is located as the load measurement trainer kit. So the value is 0.09. So which is calculated as 0.01 is the error in kilogram. So in percentage of error. So already we are calculated in error by true value into 100. So 0.01 is calculated in error. Then the actual value is 0.1 into 100. So the percentage of error is 10 percentage. Model calculation, so error in kg, so measured value minus true value. So measured value is 0.1, the true value is 0.09. Finally we can get is the error value is 0.01 kilogram. Then percentage of error is equal to error by true value into 100. Error value already obtained 0.01 divided by 0.1 into 100. So finally we can get the error percentage of error in 10%. Finally, we obtain the result is error and percentage of error calculated. So thus the force is measured using force measuring setup.